In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Captain Backtest Model in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open, because everything we're going to do starts from that main chart screen. It can be any market or time frame. We just need a chart up so we can attach the model to it. Now, look towards the top of your TradingView chart for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the middle or upper left of the screen. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all its built-in tools, your saved scripts, and any premium or third-party models you've added to your account. Opening this panel is the key step because the Captain Backtest model is treated like any other indicator inside TradingView. Once the Indicators window is open, you'll see a search box at the top. Instead of scrolling through a long list, we're going to use that search box so we can find the model quickly and avoid missing it. Click on the search box so your cursor is active there, and then start typing Captain Backtest Model. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Take a second to double check your spelling, because even a small typo can stop the model from showing up in the list. When you see Captain Backtest Model appear in the search results, simply click on it once. As soon as you do that, TradingView will load it directly onto your current chart. You should now see the model's visuals or signals displayed over your price action. If nothing appears right away, give it a moment to load, or make sure you're actually on the chart where you added it. From here, you can open the settings for the model by clicking the little gear icon next to its name in the indicator list on your chart. This is where you can fine-tune things like inputs, colors, or display options to match your trading style and your current strategy testing. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro, I recommend checking out the affiliate link in the video description. Using that link is a simple way to unlock the full power of indicators like Captain Backtest Model, with more chart layouts, more indicators per chart, and an overall smoother backtesting workflow. Once you've done all that, you're ready to start experimenting and refining your strategy with the Captain Backtest Model running right inside TradingView Pro.